Welcome back. It's experiment number 2, and we're ready to fly our balloon copter. Your copter should look a little bit like this, fully inflated and ready to go. But make sure that you're pinching the balloon right over here, like me, to make sure that the air doesn't escape until we're ready. In a traditional helicopter, the rotor hub and blades are driven by an engine that's powered by fuel. In our balloon copter, we use the same hub and blades, but we swap the engine and fuel for simple balloon and air. Okay, it's time to let our balloon copter go and see it in motion. Make sure that the blades are on top and the balloon is on the bottom so that it goes the right way. And open up your fingers and watch it go. You can pause here to try it out yourself. That was so much fun. But do you know how it works? When you let go of the balloon, the air rushes up the hub, through the rotors, and out of the channel in the blades. The force of that air pushes the blades in the opposite direction, counterclockwise. And that means the balloon copter goes up and up until it's out of air. Now, keep experimenting and try filling up your balloon with more air or less air and see how the flight changes. Great work, junior engineer. Thanks for flying with me, and I will see you for more STEM adventures next time.